Hey, what's up, guys? We have a men's Icelink Presidential Diamond Watch. This is one of their top-of-the-line models. 3 time zones, all fully functional. VS quality diamonds, of course, all factory set. Mother of pearl dial. Casing's approximately 47 millimeters wide. You have your original band. All links included, so there shouldn't be any issues for fitting. Here's your back casing right here. Presidential Collection Premier. There's your, I guess, your serial number right down the bottom. Very nice watch, as you can see. If you're interested, let me know. Number's posted on the bottom. Original box. Paperwork. Hit me up.